Okay, so you wanted to know how to make a button that teleports everyone. Okay, right? So what I'm gonna do is I've already put a button here, so just have a button ready, right? And just you don't really need to change all this. You can change this if you want, but yeah. So I just put a button here, and I just called it Start Game Button. All right, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to All here, and I'm just gonna search up teleport, and I'm just gonna use a rift. If you want, I could help you use verse only, but I'm just gonna use a rift personally. Okay, and now in here we're gonna just set these groups to none. We're gonna make all the visuals and stuff off, so no sound effects, no converse momentum. And yeah, I think that's all we need to do. Alright, there we go. So now we have our teleporter. Alright. Well, now, let's just move this wherever you want. I'm just gonna move it up here. Okay? Right? And there we go. So now, we're gonna go to a verse. We're gonna make a new file. And call this whatever you want. Okay? But remember this name. So I'm gonna call this teleporter device custom. Okay? Custom, yeah, okay. And copy this, okay? Make sure this is copied and save it somewhere. So let's just save it. Let's save it here, okay? Alright, now let's create it, okay? So save whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, this is just my fault, so we're just gonna do that. Oh, open this. Okay, this is my fault. So let me just fix this really quickly. This is my fault, so get that out there. Alright, so now we have teleporter device custom verse, okay? So let me just rebuild. So I think I might have broken it. So I think testing button. I might have messed up here because I deleted my thingy. This I just intentionally left blank. But okay, I'm gonna say a but here. For some reason I don't know why this is just broken a bit. But remember that name, right? We had, and we saved it. So now you can go to Discord and copy the code I just sent, paste it in, okay? And you remember this, right? We're gonna take our name that we remembered and we're just gonna paste it here. This is just to prevent any errors from happening, because, if there's an error, of course, you would want to ask me, so I made sure to tell you that. So now we can go back into UEFN, and I'm just going to continue, and I'm just going to do verse build verse code, okay? And now I'm going to go to content browser, delete all this, we're going to go into here, creative devices, and we're going to take our device out, okay? And now we have two options. So we're going to select our rift, our teleporter, and then our button. So now we can push changes, and I will see you when this is done pushing changes. Alright, so now we are in UEFN, and now let's, UEFN, what am I talking about? I'm waffling, bro, I'm yapping a bit. Alright, I'm at Fortnite Creative. So now we are ready to test, right? So let's interact with this, and as we see, we teleported. But obviously if there were more players, everyone would be teleporting over there, okay? So, there you go. So, you could test this out if you want, and yeah. So, that's how you set that up, that I just signed that code, so, there you go.